Welcome back to Auto Action. 2025 Ford Escape Review, Performance and Efficiency. The numerous benefits of this compact Ford crossover will not alter in 2025. The Escape chassis offers a very nimble driving experience regardless of the powertrain, and its performance is excellent when the optional 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine is installed. Ford's hybrid and plug-in hybrid choices will be welcomed by those who wish to reduce their fuel consumption. Despite the diverse quality of the interior materials, Ford's digital display is remarkable. The seats are flat and uncomfortable for lengthy trips, and once you look past the large screen, you'll notice a lot of rough plastic accents. In addition to having a bumpy ride, the standard engine's power delivery is not as smooth as that of some of its rival SUVs. The Escape with a 2.0-liter Turbo 4 engine and a huge touchscreen screen is a more desirable option for individuals who enjoy driving and value contemporary technology if you're looking for a more opulent trim. Nevertheless, the Escape's advantages are insufficient to make it stand out in a crowded market. Through 2025, the Ford Escape will still have a wide variety of engine options. A 2.0-liter inline-4 turbo engine and a 1.5-liter inline-3 turbo engine are available as non-hybrid powertrain options. The Escape with the 4-cylinder turbo has AWD, however the 3-cylinder vehicle has basic FWD or optional AWD. About 70 horsepower more is produced by the 250 horsepower 4-cylinder engine than by the 3-cylinder engine, which also reaches 60 miles per hour almost 2.0 seconds faster, in 6.6 seconds. Apart from its enhanced efficiency, we discovered that the 4-cylinder engine attains an exceptional degree of refinement. For such performance at the petrol pump, you must spend a little more, though, since the 2024 model's 4-cylinder engine's fuel economy rating is 2331 mpg city/highway rather than 27 to 34 mpg from the 3-cylinder engine.